sketchiest part. Yeah. So I'll roll through these. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, DMO Fishing. Today we're gonna be fishing on the creek and we got a lot of snow, so winter fishing can be really difficult, but can also be really successful. And the first tip I want to give you guys is, look at this. This is the parking lot. We are the only ones here, so don't be scared to come out when it's like this, when it's a little bit of snow on the floor. You still can catch fish, and you're probably gonna have the creek all for yourself. So let's get geared up and start fishing. Alright, I want you to pay attention to this part of the river here. So it's gonna be tough for here to manage. You see how the water is flowing, but it's not ripping. So it also seems like it's a little bit deeper on that area right there. That area might be holding some fish, because what happens on the days that it's really cold, the fish are gonna be holding on the deeper areas. So you wanna look for the deepest areas on the creek where the water is flowing but it's not ripping. Okay, now water that's still, it's not good, but slow flow is very good. So it's like a quick flow right there, then slows down, it gets a little deep in that area right there. So that's what we're gonna target. Today we're gonna be using just a little streamer here and see if we can move some fish. If we're moving a lot of fish and not getting any bites, we're gonna switch to nymphs. So let's start fishing. All right. Alright guys, see the water coming in? That's a little pool right here. So those are the spots we want to try. There's also another pool down there. We're going to try that pool. Things are getting tough because I'm getting ice on my guys. That's something you have to do with it. They sell this stuff that you can use. Like they sell this stuff you can use and you put on your guys to keep it from freezing up, but look at this. See this? Got ice there. And it's gonna keep happening. We don't get above freezing. I think it's like 20 degrees right now. So all you gotta do is clean them up every now and then. Gets a little aggravating. But also they sell this stuff you can use, put on the guys to prevent them from freezing up. But I never find a product that actually stops all the freezing on the guys. I mean, that stuff they sell, things, some sort of antifreeze based stuff, you put on the guys here. It works, but you gotta keep reapplying it and just gotta keep dealing with it if you're fishing when it's this cold out. That's just part of it at this point. I don't really get frustrated by it no more. At the beginning it was really frustrating. And sometimes it only takes a couple casts and you already got ice on you guys. You're gonna find the fish. I don't really see much. So we're gonna keep moving. We're moving down here. See if there's some fish in that little pool. They like to stay around that area as well. Now, I'm coming down river just because the way this place is set up. I usually like to go up river so the fish don't see me coming. That's another tip you can use all year round. Go up river instead of down river. Have to make sure we don't fall on this freezing water. Like I said, oh, that could have been a lot worse. Okay, landing on my hand. That hurt a little bit, but we'll survive. So, see, there's like a little pool right there. That's what I'm gonna try to get to. But I'm gonna come from the other side. I'm gonna spook this fish. Ooh. That was a second close call. At that time I felt the water. Oh, that water's freezing. Got one. All right, guys, we got one. Not a big one. Not a big one. I definitely got one. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Got a brown trout. Let's go. All right, guys, so we got a brown trout. That fish was exactly what I thought it was gonna be, on the deeper pool of the creek where the water is just flowing slowly, guys. Let me show you this fish real quick. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got that little streamer top right there. So I'll take the streamer out. Come on, buddy, almost got it. Believe me. There we go. The streamer's out. Put it right there. Alright, guys. It's not a giant, but on these conditions, it's a great fish. It's just a brown trout. Look at him. Beautiful brown trout. I'm gonna go ahead and release him so he don't be on this call for too long. But first fish of the day on these freezing conditions in the middle of winter, and I'm happy with this. So time to go, buddy. Time to go. It's gone, and I cannot feel my hands. As far as what you're gonna be using, I like to fish with streamers because I can move a lot of fish that way, and when I see the fish move, I know exactly where that fish is at, right? But I'll give you a tip. This is a pro tip, guys. If you start with a streamer, okay, and you move a fish, you see the fish move towards your lure but doesn't bite, and this is a decent fish, take the time to put up a nymph and try to run that nymph exactly where the fish is sitting at. Most likely you're gonna catch that fish. So use the streamer to find the fish, see him move, maybe catch a few fish here and there. Some big fish will go for a streamer. Believe me, you're gonna catch fish with the streamer. But if you see a big fish that only sees your streamer, you move the fish wherever it's sitting at, but it's not going for it, just switch up to a nymph around this time of year, and you're most likely gonna get that fish. So I haven't found a big fish that is worth switching up to a nymph. We're gonna keep using the streamer. So far, one fish. I'm excited. It's a great day out here. The whole creek is for me. Nobody else is out here, and it's beautiful out here, guys. Don't be scared to come out when it's a little cold. You're gonna catch fish. I want to say something, guys. This is not a tip, but it's kind of like a warning. if you're out here by yourself in the mountains and you know there's bears around, keep your eye on the surroundings. I'm by myself here. I heard something crazy on this side of the river just now. And I'm looking around, I don't see nothing. It sounded like a big animal. So if you have bears around where you're fishing at, make sure you're prepared to defend yourself and make sure you're aware of your surroundings, because you don't want to get caught out there on a one-on-one with a black bear. So just saying, guys, let's keep fishing.
Yes, it's possible. Got one. A brook trout. All right. There we go.
Alright guys, so a little brookie, and this proves my point of fishing tailwaters. This right here is a creek that is right after the dam, and the fish are holding up right there where the dam is. So let me show you this fish real quick. I don't know if I got the hookup on camera, but it's just a nice little brookie. Relax. See that? Nice little brookie. Alright? The colors are amazing.
The colors on this fish are amazing, man. I don't know if you can. I don't know if the camera is gonna do justice to it, but the colors on the fish are amazing, guys. There he goes.
Alright guys, I just had a big fall, okay? Big fall right there. You gotta be careful out here. Right here we have a snow, but then there was some freezing rain that came through here, and everything's pretty much ice, as you guys can see. It's hard, so I actually had a bad spill there, landing on my back. So if you're out here on these conditions, when there's ice, you always want to be safe and be careful walking around, especially if there's ice on top of the water. There's no ice on top of the water here, but still, I fell. It's pretty bad. So be safe, guys. That's just common sense, but sometimes we think we're Superman and we just do dumb stuff. So be safe out there, guys. I'm not sure if I got a hook up the last fish, but might be more fish there. Might be. Got him. There we go. There we go. Please be a rainbow. Please be a rainbow. I'm not sure what this is. Please be a rainbow. Oh, it's another brookie. Another brookie. Nice one too.
Nice looking. All right. Finally, we're getting to some fish. So, still water, guys. Still water. That's what you want to be looking at. If you went for it, right there. So, let me get that, buddy. There we go. It's out. Show you this fish. A little bigger than the other one we caught. You can relax. It's a little bigger one than the one we caught before, but just sitting there right at the dam. Beautiful fish. And there you go. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. That's gonna be it for me today. I hope some of the tips I gave you help you out catch more fish. And again, just go in your area, find those streams that hold fish during the winter, and you can have a blast. You don't have to stop fishing during the winter. You gotta be careful out there, be safe. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share. You guys know how it works, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.